Sangene's gonna go off.
This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in
Oh,
Upper New
you
York.
gotta be kidding me!
The preceding signal was a test of
You
the
did not go off.
radio
Are you
public warning system on station New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance on Monday conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. this Wednesday. Available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for and warnings for the following counties in southeast New York: Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.